Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Django project under 2 minutes. Virtual environment, then we need to activate it. You will notice its name on the left side. Then we install Django using pip. It's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna skip it. Then you will see the same result like in my terminal. After that, we need to start a Django project. You can call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it backend. Here how the project looks in VS Code. Now we start an app. A project may have a lot of apps like API, webhooks, and payment system. Going back to VS Code, here the project. Now we need to go to the project folder and go to setting.py and add the app to install the app. Then in the app folder, we need to create a urls.py folder and write some code. You don't need to memorize all of this. You can always find it in the Django docs or Django documentations. Then we go to the project folder and add urls.py file we made to the project. We imported here the include function. The API's / will be the URL of every endpoint in the API, like API/index or API/log. Now we make sure everything works correctly. We test it by making an endpoint and see it in the browser.